Hi, friend. Welcome to Alejandro channel. So today I want to rest the Angular JS that is very popular in the world that developer takes to develop website or as a JS application. So and today I want to show you with the Angular JS with the GRUD keywords refer to the create update or create read update delete using the PHP and plus MySQL that we want to store the data. Okay, and this is the demo that I want to show you. Okay, this is the demo with the Angular JS PHP GRUD operation using PDO connection. Okay, and this is that we want to with the GRUD and data and in the data record in the database and we delete. Why we use the Angular JS? Because the Angular JS output data very quickly and especially without a lot page. Okay, and Angular JS created by Google. Okay, right now we step by step with me how to create the libraries. Okay, so we go to yes in the first we start to create the database name and database I input name demo. So in the demo database, I create a table task. In the table task, we create the three attributes, ID, name, field, and refer to the data type that we want to store the string. Okay, when we create the already right now, I go to the HTTP doc in the XAMPP. So we go to the XAMPP, HTTP doc, and I create the directory. Okay, create, yeah, so we rename to the Angular directory groups. Okay, right now I open the sampling touch and then we include the folder into the sampling touch. So and then we create in the directory Angular group we create the folder trees, okay, bootstrap that we store in the file bootstrap CS and the JS. So right now we create the CS and create the folder JS. So when we right click the JS, so I want to input name bootstrap.cs. Okay, so we go to the copy from the WC school. So I click the bootstrap and click anywhere that we want to test the bootstrap or another website. So I copy here. Okay, pass to show the code, and then we copy where we pass here. Okay, right now we create the JS bootstrap. So we use the bootstrap.js. Okay, I go to WC school again and I copy the link here to pass on the address bar browser. Okay, we copy and pass here. Okay, and right now we create the library that we store the jQuery file. Yes, jQuery and the Angular JS and app.js. Right now we create the file name. We input the jQuery.js. Okay, I close. So I copy link here, or you can connect to the link from another website. Yeah, if we want to use. But then I create library by myself. So I pass here. So, okay, and then we create the Angular JS. So we Angular.js. Yes, Angular.js. We go to WG school and click. We find to the Angular.js and click anywhere to copy the code. Okay, I copy here that we want to install because we use with the Angular. So I copy and paste here. Okay, right now we create the app JS. Yes, apps JS that we store file as a Angular JS with the CRUD refer to the create, read, update the data. Okay, when we create the library, so we create the script that we store file PHP. Okay, right now we create the file the data the, the database connection dot php. Yes, we create file list dot php, create dot php, update dot php, and delete dot php. Yes, we create library dot php. Okay, and then in the database connection, we use the PDO connection. Okay, right now we define, okay, and define with the host. So host name, you can use the local host or IP address MySQL. Okay, we use the local host and define username. Yes, user and my user database rules. Define passwords. Okay, my password no. If you has, you input the password here. So we define the database and database and the database name. We use the demo. Okay, and right now we create the parameter function here. You can try to spend time to write the code. Yes, passwords, database, and the host. Okay, so when we create the database connection already, we go to library that we want to create PHP, and the library we require, yes, we require database connection. Yes, database connection.php, and right now we create the class test class. Because in the test class we use the keyword protected from another keyword on the MySQL PHP. So we use protected DB and we create a function constructs and then we use the DB from DB function that we call from the database connection. Okay, and then we create a function read data. Okay, this is that we want to create with the read data. Yes, read record from database. Okay, right now we create a function read. Okay, we use the query and db and use repairs, and we use the slash from task table in demo. Okay, and query dot execute. Okay, database. Okay, and then right now we create the measure create records. Yes, in the parameters we create the two parameters and description. So we use the queries and dbs and prepare, and we want to use the insert into task table just name and description. So value we create the name and description. Okay, and query we use the bind param and the name. Yeah, we use name and PDOs. PDO we use the param string. Where we use the param string, and query we add the bind param description, PDOs and param string. Okay, and then query execute. Okay, right now we convert. When we create a record already, we want to convert to the JSON array to JSON. Okay, we use the return JSON encode. So we use the task. So in the task, we create the ID refer to db and last insert ID. Description. Okay, when we create function create method already, we continue create a function update. Function update name and description and task ID. So in the task ID we use the queries and this dot db and prepare. Yes, we write the code update task and set name description and where we update with the where ID and where's IDs. Okay, queries and use the bind param. Okay, when I copy description and ID we use with the test ID. And then queries execute. Okay, we use the keywords upper update. So and then we create the function delete. Yes, we delete the test ID. Delete. So I create test ID. So we use the db delete from task. Dot execute. Okay, when we create library or yes, when we create a library already, we want to check code again. So, okay, and then we go to the list.php. So, and I place we require the dot slash library dot php. Yes, so we create the task new task class. Okay, so right now we use the echo or returns and with the task dot read. Okay, so right now we go to the browser. Okay, I close. We go to the browser and refer to the CRUD function. Yes, slash script and to list to test unexpected list the end of the file 9. So we go to okay. Yeah, we read the codes. So I want to refresh. So the library and launch unexpected. So we go to the library line. Okay, right now so the error is library.php line 63. So we go to library. Yes. Okay, well now I want to refresh, and we go to line 76 library. Okay, yeah, this is the line with the subplain text, so me. Okay, I refresh, and right now the data show from the database with like this. So we go to roots, and right now we create intouch.php. Okay, right now we refresh. Okay, so in the intouch we create HTML. Yes, HTML. So right now we input the name Angular groups. So we use the link bootstrap, yeah, bootstrap directory /cf and bootstrap.cf. So in the body we use the script here. Yes, so I refer to the library jQuery. jQuery.js. So I copy Angular JS and refer to the bootstrap directory js/bootstrap. So I pass here and app.js. Okay, and so when we save already, we go to the page again, and I want to refresh. So we click space, has the error or not. So bootstrap.cs not found. So we go to the chase bootstrap and cs. Okay, I rename to cs like this. Okay, right now we refresh again. Okay, right now the error we config already. So when we config the error already, we start the Angular. So okay, and before we use the Angular, we go to the library and app.js. We create the Angular. When we create the Angular, and this is the app that we want to go the InTouch body, and we use the ngf. So we pass the code here. Okay, and right now we create app and controller test. Yes, we use the test controller. So we use the scope and HTTP. Okay, HTTP and function here that we want to show. So in the function we use the scope and HTTP. Okay, right now we go to the web page and I want to refresh. So the app Angular is not a function. Okay, so I create double. Okay, So we want to refresh. Okay, we configure the error already. So right now we go to create the list test. Okay, list test. So in this test we use the scope and list test the object. Okay, by right. And we create the already right now we create the function scope and list test. Okay, right now we create the function list test. Function. So in the function we create the HTTP. We use the get refer to the scripts. Yeah, script refer to the script here. Yeah, or you can use the directory, or you can use the address. Okay, right now we use the script dot list dot php. Okay, and then we use the function success, and then the scope dot task. Okay, task and e dot data dot task. Okay, right now we create the other function. Function is, and we use the console dot error here. Okay, so we good when we create already. We close the code. Okay, we use the scope dot list task function. Okay, right now we go to the browser and run. Okay, when we create the task, the license already, we go to in Dutch, so we call the controller Angular JS. Okay, we use the deal class or deal and G controller refer to the app.js controller here. So I copy just test controller. We go into the touch. Okay, and then we create the class container bootstrap. So in the class bootstrap, we create the deal. This. So I copy. Okay, write code here. So I okay, and then right now we create the table to read from the Angular database with database. Okay, table here and table. Okay, we close text views, and right now we start the right table. Okay, and then we create the column. Okay, so when we use the ngf we want to check the condition with the dot length is greater than 0 and then the show table, but as there is no display the table grid view. Okay, and then right now we create the body, and right now we create the Angular. Okay, so right now in the ng repeat, the ng repeat we call the test, just we call the test in test. Okay, spend time to write. Okay, when we create the view to display data already, so we go into the browser and I want to refresh and data show here. Okay, so right now we create with the pop-up. So at the next time I want to show you how to create as add data and delete or update. Okay, thank you everybody watching my video. Don't forget to follow me in the next time. Insert, update, delete into the database with the Angular continue. Okay, say goodbye. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe on my video. Thank you.